Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. This is part 2 of the log rack build. Guys, I got this all finished on the bottom here. I'm going to show you it. There's no way in a million years I could ever build this up at the camp. I don't have a flat piece of ground anywhere. So I like to fabricate as much as I can at home. This will fit in the back of my truck, no problem. And the rest of it I will assemble up north. I'll show you what we got going on here and I'll show you what it looks like. And guys, I think it's pretty heavy duty. And the total cost of this so far was $47. I haven't included the nails, so just say like $3 worth of nails, say 50 bucks. And to finish this project up will probably be $75. So I'll show you what I got done so far. Well, here we are right here. And this is actually upside down. So you could see that there's quite a few nails going on here. And I'll just show you in one spot here. You could see how this is upside down and I have, you know, the 3 nails in here. And I've nailed the back side. And I get some light there. Every one of these has been nailed here, on this side, and on here. And of course, 3 on the top. And that's just to prevent this log holder from pulling the bottom board out, because if you didn't have it all supported, then this bottom beam here, you'll see what it looks like when we get up north, it would twist on you. So that right there is pretty solid. I figure it's got to weigh 75-80 pounds. That's about as most as I can handle by myself up there. And yeah, there she is right there, guys. And it's pretty square. Maybe we'll throw a level on it if you want. And maybe we'll try a tape measure. That sounds like a better idea even. Level ain't going to show too much, is it? So we'll stick it over here. There we go. And we'll go to this corner. And let me see if I get it right on there. Hold on a second. There. Oh. Slipping off a bit there. Right on the corner. There we are. So where are we there? That looks to me like 87.5. Let's go to this corner over here. Because you have to square this up first before you start nailing everything in. And what do we got here? Geez, that's pretty close there, eh, guys? Okay, all I have to do now is load her up. We're going to head up in the morning and I'll have it all installed and I'll show you exactly how it looks up there. And guys, I got 2 hours into this including filming. That's it, the whole amount of time. And of course the Bostitch air nailer there. Guys, that makes it so much easier, you know, compared to any way other, you know, like if you got to hammer this in by hammer, you know, it's going to be a tough job, I'll tell you right now. Screws would probably be the best. I don't think I tackle this with just a hammer and nails. A lot of stuff moves around on you too much. Screws would be fine. And we'll see you in the morning when we get up north. Stay tuned. Okay, there she is, guys. And I got it leveled up there pretty good. I'll show you later when it's all put together. But that's the spot where it's going to go. And we're going to take that firewood over there, sitting right there. And we're going to put it in there. Not today though. But that's the spot where she's going to go right there. And I think it's going to work out fine. It's pretty well going to line up just straight out there like that. I think that'll work out fine. I'll bring you back when I got the sides on. Okay, here we are, guys. You know, I gotta show you to see if it's level or not. There we go. That's not too bad right there. Okay, guys, there she is. Don't look too bad, eh? And that'll work out fine. I mean, you really don't need anything more than that. And I think it'll do the job just right. Well, I hope you liked that little project. Guys, that was a nice, easy project to do. I would say, you know, most people can do it. And all I had to do was just push them 2x4s in there. And guys, it went together in about 5 minutes. It took me about maybe 20 minutes to level it all off. And this year in the fall, you'll see that firewood rack filled right to the top. Thanks for joining in me today, and hope you guys are all doing well. And if you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. And come back again, guys. Let's have some more fun like this. Cheers.